Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we've got something special lined up for you.
If you're a concert goer or someone who just loves their peace and quiet, you're in for a treat. We're diving into the world of the best quality earplugs for concerts available in the market. Loop Quiet Earplugs.
Feast your eyes on these beauties. Loop Quiet Earplugs are not just any ordinary earplugs. They're a game changer when it comes to hearing protection.
Whether you're at a rock concert or just trying to catch some Z's in a noisy environment. In this video, we'll take you through all the details of Loop Quiet Earplugs, from their design and comfort to their noise reduction capabilities.
So, if you're ready, let's dive right in. First things first, folks. What sets Loop Quiet Earplugs apart from the rest?
Well, let me tell you, it's all about quality, comfort, and superior noise reduction.
These earplugs are designed to provide you with the best hearing protection available.
They're made from super soft, reusable silicone, ensuring they stay comfortable even during extended use.
Plus, they come with a range of ear tips, so you can always find your perfect fit. Loop Quiet Earplugs offer a noise reduction rating of 26 decibels and an NRR of 14. They are your shield against loud environments, allowing you to enjoy concerts without worrying about damaging your hearing.
No one wants to wear uncomfortable earplugs, right?
Loop Quiet's iconic round shape fits snugly in your ears, providing optimal comfort.
Whether you're sleeping, studying, working, or reading, these earplugs will be your trusty companions, allowing you to focus without distractions.
But wait, there's more. Loop Quiet Earplugs are not just for concerts. They're versatile and have multiple applications. Whether you're trying to get some rest in a noisy environment, concentrate on your work, or even meditate, these earplugs have got you covered.
They're perfect for travelers and commuters too, helping you find your peace in the chaos of the world.
Now, let's talk about ease of use. You want earplugs that are simple to insert and don't stick out, right? Loop Quiet Earplugs are incredibly easy to use.
They sit comfortably in your ears, and when you wear them correctly, they won't stick out awkwardly. They come in 4 sizes XS, S, M, and L, so, if you find one size uncomfortable, you can easily switch to another.
Remember, comfort is key. But here's the cherry on top, folks. Loop Quiet is also committed to sustainability. These earplugs come in eco-friendly packaging, and inside the box, you'll find a set of Loop Quiet earplugs, 4 sizes of soft silicone ear tips, and a handy carry case. They're reusable and washable, providing a sustainable solution to disposable plugs. That's a win for the environment. So, there you have it, folks. Loop Quiet Earplugs, the best quality earplugs for concerts and beyond. They're your ticket to a quieter, more comfortable world. If you're ready to experience the difference, click the link in the description below to get your own pair of Loop Quiet earplugs. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews of products that make your life better. Thanks for joining us today.
Until next time, stay comfortable, stay protected, and stay tuned to Product Critique.